So, you want to purchase a Lightning Lane Pass? Let's see what you need to get ready, when you can buy passes, and how to make your selections. First, gather your group's wish list for attractions and experiences. Make sure you've downloaded the My Disney Experience app and connect everyone in your travel group on your family and friends list. You can purchase Lightning Lane passes beginning at 7 a.m. 3 days prior to your first park day. And if you're staying at a Disney Resort hotel and other select hotels, even better! You can purchase Lightning Lane passes 7 days prior to your resort reservation check-in day. When you're ready to make your purchase, open the My Disney Experience app. Select the date and park. Whether you're purchasing a Lightning Lane multi-pass, single pass, or both, you can make your group's initial selections for each day in one go. Get to the magic faster with a Lightning Lane Pass.